Hey, thanks a lot, Willard. This morning on Today's Home, monogram gift for the holidays. Need something other than a mug for your child's favorite teacher, or something that doesn't break the bank for the guy or gal who's got everything? Well, lifestyle expert Elizabeth Mayhew is here with some creative ideas that you can initial excellent.
Yes.
Elizabeth, good to see you.
Good to see you, too.
Now, I know it's a little early to be talking about the holidays, but you have to have a little lead time for this stuff, right?
Personalization makes something special. It shows you've taken extra time, and time is of the essence. So you can order all these things now. Go to the website. Your Christmas shopping can be done.
And the great thing is there's a good price range so that you don't have to break the bank.
You don't, and it's special because it's got someone's name or someone's initials.
Okay. So I'm always worried about having some place to put your drink, and this is a great place.
You don't want rings on your dark furniture.
Right.
So these are coasters. It's from a company called IMWA. They have fantastic graphics. You can personalize it with up to 32 characters. You can do all kinds of things. Initials, here we have you, Al's drink.
And
that's where
Natalie,
you put it. Yeah.
Very nice. Cups.
Tervis tumblers, they've been around for 60 years. They're actually made out of the same plastic as bulletproof shields and also fighter jet windshields.
So if somebody's shooting at you with a drink, you're safe.
Yeah. And they come for a set of 4. They start at about $54, and they also are double insulated, so these will not sweat. You do not need a coaster with them. Also, they keep hot drinks hot and cold drinks cold.
How do it know? Joke Jeopardy. Anyway, Eleni's Cookies. Love these.
Yeah, if you're going to someone's house, like a family, it's sometimes hard to get the family gift. You can get a tin of these. They have all different kinds of tins, and then the tins start at about $35. Then you can have them personalized. You just send them the names, and they put them on. These are a little spotted from the rain, but it's a great thing to take to someone's house, even for Thanksgiving.
Now, stationery and notepads. This is great stuff for teachers.
Well, also these, I love these. I bought these for my friends. They're stamps, and all you do is push down, and it comes up. You can personalize stationery. There's no mess. There's no ink pad. Those come from 3 Designing Women, and you can also use them just if you're sending your bills and throwing them.
About how much are these?
Those are about $42 each, and there are lots of different patterns you can bring. Teachers' gifts. These are notepads. It's 2 for $20. Again, you go to this. It's Fontaine Mori. Fabulous site. Great graphics. They will personalize that for you. And if you have a pet or you want to send a silhouette of your child, they will custom make the silhouette. You can do it for your pets. This one is for someone's horse. Really fun.
Now, I like these for little, not that I would use these, but for ponytails.
Oh, there you go. Ponytail holder.
Oh, but turn around and get that shot of Elizabeth.
There you go. They're from Fancy Fonts. They are $10 each. Great gift for little girls, or you can use them as package toppers.
All right. Polo shirts, literally monogram polo shirts.
Well, these are from Polo Ralph Lauren. You can monogram them, pick your own color, pick your own design. And what's great is you can go to the website at polo.com and you can find exactly what it looks like. You see it right away.
Nice.
So that's fun. And those start at $35.
Now, monogram luggage is not only great, but it's practical because this way when your stuff comes off the carousel, you can find it.
You got it. And this is a classic company. It's from T. Anthony. It's expensive, so if you can't afford that, you can get these tags. These are really fun. They are 3 for $30. These are yours, Al. They say not yours on one side and Al Roker on the other. These are, say, mine. You can also have it
Get
personalized.
Your hands off.
Like we did these for Matt. Where in the world is Matt Lauer? There you go. On a higher end price.
Oh, I know this bag.
Goyard. It's you walk down Madison Avenue, every woman practically has them. It's from a French company. They've been doing this since 1850 something. What's nice about it is you can have it personalized with not only your initials, but also your own racing stripe.
Oh, wow.
So you can race down to the stores.
And almost $880.
Exactly.
You don't want to race too far.
Right.
Okay.
Well, yeah.
Passport.
Passport case. This is it's from Anya Heinmarch. You can send them your address in your own handwriting, and they have it permanently embossed onto your passport case with a little stamp, so it looks like it's been sent to you. And also you can give them a business card, and they will print it on a business card case.
That's pretty neat. And then napkins.
These are actually, these are hand towels.
Oh, okay.
This is from...
In my house, this would be a napkin.
No, this would be a napkin.
Sloppy, yeah.
These are, it's not a new idea. This is actually a classic idea, but to me, this is best in class. Leontine Linens does it the old-fashioned way. You pick a number of different fabric backs, embroidery. You can have it done like you were having your trousseau. Also, applique pillowcases or bedding. It's very beautiful, so it's an investment.
That's great. Elizabeth Mayhew, a lot of great advice. Get it done now because you want to have that time to
You have about 1 to 8 weeks for most of this. A lot of it's just 1 week, but you can have this all done in one-stop shopping.
Especially if you have Elizabeth Mayhew to do it for you. No, I'm kidding. Okay.
Is that a hit?
Yeah, that's right. Well, in any event, if you want more information, check out our website at today.msnbc.com. Still ahead, helpful hints for moms and dads right after these messages.
Okay, we just made them.